Hi people, today I wanted to show to you because I found beautiful solution if you use a very strong computer, but if you use hair modeling tools and for some reasons when you try to move character in Viewport and it is slow, I know how to fix that solution because I'm using very powerful computer and a very powerful graphics card. What you have to do, you will have to select hair transplant in particle system because we have two options, render option. In render option steps, this is for rendering. It tells you that we will focus on a viewport. Strand steps viewport display. If you decrease strand steps, this is to do with viewport, and you will see noticeable difference. It will be much quicker for you to move entire polygon because we have two options. Render option, when you use interpolations for rendering, and viewport display, this will help you to speed up moving entire polygon. You can see, actually I haven't finished modeling. My first PC, I have got backup of the models. You can see the difference, and again, if you try to increase in viewport display strand steps interpolation, value 5 will be too high. You can see how slow viewport will be. So I hope you like my video tutorial because there are two different things. This is to do with viewport, that one is to do with rendering. So let's decrease this to value 2. Now I will render. Okay, animation. I will have to move camera and focus length. Let me to save a project just in case. So you will see higher interpolation in render instead. So you can see we have interpolation value up to 7. I have to check. Oh no, I have got really high usage of GPU because of this as well. But I'm using the graphics card. Hopefully this will be still okay. Let me to finish my rendering because I use the higher value, but the RTX 2080 does the job really well. So you can see huge difference in render time. I didn't connect polygons yet. Hair transplant is separate object, but my first PC, I have finished modeling this. Sorry for my voice, I'm not ill, but I have weird issues related to my voice today. Okay, did you know this new version of Blender supports new image format AVIF I don't know how many of you did see this, but it is being used by new web browsers. I will save to you PG instead. I hope you like my video tutorial, people.